How to log in Picsart account. So let's see in this video. Before moving forward, make sure to like this video and subscribe our channel. So let's begin. First of all, you have to open up your Picsart application on your device. After opening up, you'll be able to see this interface over here where you can continue with your Google, Facebook, or if you are new to Picsart, then you can go for create an account option. So you can log in through your Google or Facebook. Here I am tapping for Google. If you are tapping for Google, then you have to select the Gmail account with which you want to log into your account. After a few seconds, you can see my account has been easily logged in. So by following this simple step, you can log in Picsart account. So hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.